Hi guys, in front of me is Xreal Beam Pro, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate Google Backup. So at first open list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select System and mark Backup. As you can see now, your backup is active. To turn it off, just unmark the indicator and select Turn Off and Delete. And that's it, just mark Cancel. Now it is not active. However, whenever you want to activate it again or turn it on for the first time, just open Backup, mark data that you want to backup. In my case, it's all photos and videos along with other device data, and select Confirm. And that's it. Now you can manage your backup, but basically this is how you can activate or deactivate Google Backup. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.